Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Ferris lawnmower that I've just picked up. It's a massive, by my standards, 32-inch cut. It's got a Kawasaki FC410V engine, a 13-horse engine. I got it for a song because the engine doesn't work. And there's a few other things that are becoming apparently wrong with it now that I walk around it. So the engine doesn't work. I was told that the carburetor got water in it. There's nothing in the fuel tank, and the fuel filter over here is dry. But I don't know. Doesn't seem to have anything in it. There's a fuel pump up on top, I'd say. Fuel tank. It's just empty. So it might need a rinse out. And over here, the air filter, I've loosened the screws off. To take it off, there's obviously something gotten in there. That's just like salts of something that's grown. The butterfly valve's stuck, but I think it might just be a matter of cleaning it up. Parts are hard to get for this machine, so that's not a good thing. But equally, if it is just a matter of cleaning it up, drying it up, giving it a wire brushing, then it might go together quite quickly. Like nothing, it's not been laid up for long. All the springs are there and okay. I think this brake is sticking. I had it loose, but then it's stuck again. It has a freewheel lever on the back, which I have on, and it does freewheel. It freewheels on one side. It weighs a ton, but it doesn't freewheel on this side, so you have to drag it on that wheel, which isn't great. It's got a handbrake on it as well somewhere over here. So that just acts straight onto the brakes, and then you've got these brakes on each side. Brake handles on each side. This one just feels sloppy. The one over here feels like it's acting positively on something. So I have a feeling either the pads are knackered or... Well, the pads shouldn't be knackered. It might just be stuck. It seems to be just a straight lever, so there doesn't seem to be any hydraulics. I don't know what sort of drive is in this. It's belt driven to the blades, but I don't know what's driving the wheels. I think it's a direct gearbox, and it seems to be just a skid steer that you pull when you want to turn. You pull that brake and it goes that direction. So we'll find out over time. It's got these safety levers on them. All they do is they act on a switch underneath. There's a little switch in under here. It's got an ignition key. It doesn't have an electric starter, which would be desirable. I've tried pulling it, and I won't say it's seized, but it seems stuck, and I think it needs to have this lever over here, which is the mower drive, disengaged, and that seems a bit stuck at the moment, so I don't really know what's going on there. That's another thing to check. So like, it could have a completely knackered gearbox and engine, in which case it's no good. But if it is just the carburetor, then we might be okay. It says hydro oil over here. I'm guessing that's for hydraulic oil. So that's a hydraulic oil reservoir for the gearbox, so maybe it is a hydraulic, got a hydraulic pump in it that drives the gearbox. I don't know. There's a bit of taking apart in this, I reckon, but overall it's quite clean by the standard of 50-year-old lawnmowers that I normally pick up. So I'm quite pleased with it. It's a bit of a beast. A bit of a beast altogether. Hydrowalk SD Commercial. Does it have any numbers? Doesn't appear to have any model number, but Hydrowalk SD Commercial might be the model number. Yeah, so we'll have a look at it. See if we can get it going in the coming days. Or months, as the case may be with this machine. Thanks for watching, see you later.